Sanwanani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So guys, this video was posted of Mcebo. It was posted by one of the producers of BET Queendom, and they captioned this video, you guys, the best or the best character or the most loved person on BET Queendom. The comments, guys, abantu were like, loved by who? Because at this point, people are just spiteful, guys. They are bored of Mcebo. One thing I want to say, you guys, I think it's extremely rare, not extremely rare, but it's rare to find a show where the direction of how it's going and what's going to happen next is unpredictable. Like most of these shows, most of the movies that have been produced, like you'll watch it from the beginning, you know what these two are gonna end up together. This one's gonna do this, that. Like for me, honestly, that's boring. And that's one of the things I truly appreciate about Queendom. You don't know what's next. You don't like the least thing like in the abangala guys will be something that's happening there. I think the storytelling is brilliant, you guys. I even think the mere fact, like if you don't have a show where people are not this angry about a character or not this like they're not this angry about a villain, I question whether like is it really captivating. I think even though there's many people saying we are leaving because it looks like it was prevailing and whatnot, I do think even that is a testimony of how great the storytelling of the show is, for a fact that people's emotions are so invested, that they are so hurt to the point that they don't want to continue hurting themselves. I saw someone saying that every weekend they rewatch Queendom's episodes, but this weekend they just could not because listen, like it's heartbreaking to see Mcebo each and every like prevailing. And the thing is, Mcebo, guys, he makes it worthwhile to fight for the throne. I'm not gonna lie, like listen, like he makes it like I love this character, guys. I don't like what he's doing. At times when I watch him, just like we are dead able at this point. But like the acting, guys, I'm just like, if Mcebo was not part of this, I don't know if the show will be at this level at this point. So I think the acting brilliant, the storytelling brilliant. Yeah, I don't even think that they prolong things for too long. I just hope that they end up giving us justice and not leaving it to be like one of those things where Mcebo like wins. Like it can't be that. At least it should not be that. He must end up getting his punishment. But yeah, guys, I think it's just brilliant. But the comment section, people were divided. People were like, listen, all I want to do is just eliminate Mcebo. And other people are like, listen, Mcebo, we are there for Mcebo. So guys, yeah, like I guess if you don't like getting your emotions hiked up, and I guess if you're the type of person that you want storytelling that's predictable, maybe the show is not for you. But with this show, guys, you've got to hold on very tight and listen, Mcebo. I really think that he deserves an award, you guys, for how he's captivated the audience, how he's gotten us off our seats, how he's heightened our high blood pressures. Listen, the guy is good. Anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.